right, here's what we got today in the mail. We got our tropical strawberry Shakeology. It's vegan, dairy-free, milk-free, all that.
Mom,
And
we're gonna try it tonight.
yeah, is this the first? Did we just open this package up?
Yes, we did.
Yes. Is this the first time we've ever tasted this?
Yeah. No.
When did you taste it?
We didn't taste it.
Oh, okay. That's what I asked you if we've ever tasted it, and you said. I said, "Is this?" Never mind. Okay, so. Alrighty, we're gonna pour it in the cups, and the kids are gonna be the judge of how good this is. We didn't make it super icy and thick because we might have to put this in sippy cups.
Can you?
Oh, yeah. All right, Daniel, you be our taste tester. Tell me what it tastes like.
It tastes like French fries.
French fries?
I mean, it tastes like vanilla.
You take a drink.
Yeah, take a drink.
Vanilla and French fries. Well, I don't know.
I mean, it doesn't taste like French fries. Tip it up more and more.
It doesn't taste like strawberries?
It tastes like it tastes like strawberry vanilla.
Strawberry vanilla. Here, Jake. Let's see your face. You got it all over. You like it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think you want to drink this every day?
Yes, every day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink it for breakfast too.
All right. Here's our chocolate. This is like the famous flavor that they've always had. But Beachbody just came out with this tropical strawberry vegan to serve those people who are very, on that whole straight and narrow, no dairy
And can I
diet.
tell them something on the?
Yeah.
And you can have Shakeology, and it's healthy, and it makes you get strong.
Yes.
And this, if you don't know a lot about it, just go to beachbodycoach.com.
/ Jennifer Morin? Okay. All right.
Mom,
You like it, Jake?
yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Alrighty. Say, see you soon.
No, we're not done.
Oh, do you have more to say?
Yes, you forgot to show them the green Shakeology.
Oh, I don't have the green one right now. But that one's good. Daniel likes that one too, huh?
And no, I don't.
Oh, you don't? I thought that was the one that you
I
always...
used to like it, but now I don't like it.
Oh, now is like strawberry your favorite one now?
I only like this one.
Okay, that's fine.
Do you hear that sizzling?
Yeah. Jakey's going for it. All right, can I have a taste? I haven't even tasted it yet.
Do you like it?
Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh my gosh, how is that? Wow, that is bomb. That is bomb.com, huh, Daniel?
No. I still have more words to say about it.
Oh yeah, tell us more.
Like my dad, he drinks this stuff for breakfast every day, and my mom does. And if you eat lots of vegetables and you don't eat donuts, boom, if you eat a lot of healthy stuff, you'll be strong!
All right.
Yeah!